Not in Spanish.
Yes, so her name is Ada. We gave her that name. That's her name.
Ada is not
and what is it? Mama, what will be the name you give her again? Abasi. Abasi Minor.
I say that I love you.
This is my mother-in-law.
Yes, this is my wife.
Wife,
no be like any. I love you.
I'm from Gunonya. The sweetest mommy.
Yeah. Yes, mommy.
Mommy received me yesterday. Yeah, I'll not be here.
No problem.